relief, please. Okay, just relax. She's a little nervous.
Oh.
Because she knows that it's going to hurt a little bit, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, come towards me a little bit. Just drop your head on the table. There you go. Chin up a little bit.
Oh.
Good.
Oh.
Okay. There we go. Okay, let's relax here. Okay, good, nice. Good, nice. Very interesting. Okay. Okay, just relax here. Go. Behind this here. Good. Relax here. Good. Swallow this way. Good. Come this way again. Good, nice. She's a little nervous this time. Let's go this way. Drop this way, please. Come back again. Good, nice. Good. Good, nice. Okay, this way. Yeah, definitely a little tight today. Good.
Oh.
Okay, let's go here.
Oh. That one hurt more.
That one hurt more?
That was very painful. And I
Okay.
felt it on my right shoulder.
Pretty easy on her. What have we treated on you the whole time, Amanda?
Mostly the neck, and then also release of the lactic acid from my collar,
Yeah.
and also my neck area, and strong.
And very strong. Good things come in small packages. She doesn't look very strong, but she brings it, doesn't she?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Let's go. Good, nice. So this is a little thing we've been doing new now. Good, good. I just kind of go down a little bit. You can see me do it this way. Perfect. Good. You can't hear that, but it pops.
Yeah.
Okay, let it go. Up, down. Okay, up. There we go. Perfect. Good. 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 You're back, please. So the most important thing with this adjustment is getting the exact connection right on the lateral mass right here. And then, good. Nice. Right on the first bone right here. And then chin up a little bit. Okay, you're gonna turn to the right. Good. There we go. Okay, let's go this way. Okay, relax. Okay, chin up a little bit here. Good. Just let your head be heavy on the table, okay? Towards me. She's really kind of nervous here. Good. Wonderful. Okay, right there. She's still a little nervous. Just think heavy on the table, please. Just heavy. Just think heavy, right? Good. There we go. Go to down a little bit, please. Good. Okay, chin up for more. Good, relax. Good, nice. Good, nice. And what you can feel in her neck is a lot of tension. Good, nice. Good, see all this right here. I want to do it up here, but we're going to keep conservative on her. Good, nice. Let's go right here. Good. Well, this one, the other one was up. Good. I'm just going to give you a nice, easy adjustment. Nothing huge today. She sees only huge on the videos. Good, right there. And this one? Good. Good. How about that? Same? Yeah.
Yeah.
So, anyways. So the things I have her working on when she leaves. Good. Good, girl. There you go. Good. Good. Table, please. Atlas up here. I'm adjusting her Atlas right now. Yeah, it still feels tight up here. Yeah, still really tight. Good. Good, nice. Woo-wee! Wow. Right in the middle of your neck. Good. You okay? Yeah, you're fine. Like I said, just a real small adjustment, okay?
Okay.
Nothing big. Good. Nice and relaxed. Good, nice. How was that?
Good.
Good?
Good. Yeah.
Good. Let your head just be heavy on the table. Nice and heavy, okay? Bring it up.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, let's go here. Come towards me a little bit. Good. Good, nice. Good. Just relax. You see she's nervous. Her eyes are starting to twitch here a little bit. Yeah. Let's go here. Good. Okay. You're doing great. Just let it go here. Good, nice. Okay, so she's gonna let me do this right now. Just let this go. Good. And this side right here. Let this go here. Good. Good. Let this go here. Let this go straight on the back here like this. Good. Perfect. Okay. This one. Good.
Yay!
See, you can't even stop it. Good. Right there. Thank you. Let this go here. Good, perfect. Other side. Don't fall off, kiddo. Okay. Hold your wrist right there. Okay, let's go here. Perfect. Go ahead and lay on your back. Let's go here. Come towards me a little bit. Good. Pressure on it. Good. Good. Okay with that. Good. Nice. Good. Just go here. Relax. Good. Nice. On the table, please. Come this way, please. Good. This way. Good. Nice. Good. 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 Nice.